Namaskar. Welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatanatyam. In this lesson, we are going to learn Ganesh Kautukam Part 1. So, this Kautukam is set in Adi Tal and Rag Natai. So, we are going to start with a violin piece. On that piece, we are going to do some Ganesh poses. As we have already learned in Ganeshaya Dhimahi, if you haven't checked that, I'll link that video over here. So we are going to use left hand as Ardha Chandra and the right hand as Mukula. And sit in Aramandi position. Your right leg goes on your heel, and we are going to go ta ka dhi mi, ta ka dhi mi. All right. From here, we are going to use our left hand to keep modak, the sweet which Ganpati Bappa eats, and right hand as just the blessing hand. Okay. So the whole thing will look like ta ka dhi mi, ta ka dhi mi, ta ka dhi mi. Okay. Now the next one, from here we are going to show the ears. Ta ka dhi mi. Okay. So I am shifting my body weight on the right using my left foot on Agratala. So you are here. So you're going to do ta ka dhi mi, and we are going to show pasha ankusha. Okay. You go left leg on your toe. Now right pasha, left ankusha. Okay. Now from here the mridanga music starts. So from here my right hand is coming here next to my chest as kapitha, and left again kapitha down like this, Ganesha's pose. Okay. So here we are again going to count takadhimi, 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 takadhimi. Now just sway, or you can walk also. Takadhimi, takadhimi, and here the tihai starts. All right. So the tihai goes with tai tai diditai ta, tai tai diditai ta, tai tai diditai. So on this position, we are going to do drishti. All right. So it's going to be right, left, up, left, right, up, right, left. Okay. So how it will go on the beats is going to be tai tai diditai ta, tai tai diditai ta, tai tai diditai. Huh? Now you must know this particular Kautukam is set in Adi Tal. So how you count Adi Tal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. And Rag Natai. So from here the actual bows starts. So I'm going to start the bows from here. Tai tai diditai ta, tai tai diditai ta, tai tai diditai dit dit tai, tam dit dit tai, tat 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 tam. Ta. Okay, till here. So we started tai tai diditai ta, tai tai diditai ta, tai tai diditai. Now from here the bowl starts. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to sit in the same position for first dit dit tai. Okay, so for that I'm going to cross my right foot back and go dit dit tai. While doing this, I'm going to do the body movement. So I'm going to bend towards my right. Dit dit tai, tam. Okay, so it goes like dit dit tai, tam dit dit tai. So we are going to do dit dit tai, tam. Now for next dit dit tai, we are going to change the hastas. So the hastas which we are going to use is Alapadma as the ears. Okay, so do not drop your shoulders, remember, and do not drop your elbows. It has to be up and you're showing the ears. So we finished over here. Now next diditai comes from the left. Dit, dit, tai. So we finished dit, dit, tai, tam, dit, dit, tai. Okay. Now the next line is tat 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 tam tat ta. So kudittametta. Kudittametta last fifth one. We are going to do the half of it. Okay, so just taikat taihi taikat taihi. Sit in Aramati position. Start with your right. Taikat taihi taikat taihi, and from your left hand and left foot tam, like tayatai. So once you have to just stamp taya. That's all. Okay. So the whole thing will look like taikat taihi taikat taihi tai. From here we are going to do taikat taihi. Okay, with the right foot. Sarakkadu. So taikat taihi, standing. So how we do it in third speed? That one. Okay. So the whole thing will look like this. Taikat taihi taikat taihi tai taikat taihi. So the phrase is basically kutta kitta kinna tonga takkutam tonga tanguku 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 dhittam. From here we are going to do ta tai tai ta dhit tai tai ta, back diagonally. Okay, so my left hand is Latakya, right hand is Katakamukha, and we are going to go diagonally back. Ta tai tai ta dhit tai tai ta. Okay, so tai hi, you came here. Ta tai tai ta dhit tai tai ta. Now from here we are going to jump 4 times. Okay, so it's going to be again diagonal. My right diagonal in front, left diagonal in front, and straight front, like that. So it's going to be with the right hand, dhit tai. Okay, now left side, dhit tai. Now front, dhit tai, and back, dhit tai. So these jumps and the techniques I have already spoken about. Uh, the jumps in Bharatanatyam. If you have not checked that video, I will link it over here and in the description box as well. Okay, so these 4 jumps we are going to do, and we are going to come back with right Katakamukha and left above Katakamukha. Sit in Aramati position. All right. Now from here we are going to do ta tai tai ta dhit tai tai ta ta tai tai ta dhit tai tai ta. We should do last one. Okay, with the right foot and right hand. So it's going to be ta tai tai tat thit tai tai tat ta tai tai tat thit tai tai tat. It's very fast. Okay, so we are going to do method of fifth. Tai tai tam and gap. Okay, after this we are going to do tai tai did tai 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 did tai 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 did tai tihai. So with the right foot we are going to start tai tai did tai 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 did tai 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 did tai. Okay, 3 times. Now the hands will go tai tai did tai, straight from my elbow. Tai tai did tai 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 did tai 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 did tai. Come back. So the whole thing will look like this. Ta tai tai tat dhit tai tai tat ta tai tai tat dhit tai tai tat tai tai tam ek tai tai did tai 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 did tai 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 did tai. So phrase for this is ta tangit tangit kitatak dikkitam dittam dirgagat tum tam takkum tari thikkitakitaki tarikitatum. All right. So we are going to start from ta tai tai ta. We are going to do it with the phrase. Okay. So ta a tangi tangi kitataka dikkitam dittam dirgagat tum tum takkum tari dikkitakitaki tarikitatum. All right. So now from here, let's start from the beginning on the Adavu. Okay. So sit in Aramandi position, take the Ganesha pose and go. 1, ta kadhimi, ta kadhimi, ta kadhimi, ta kadhimi, ta kadhimi, ta kadhimi, ta धीमी, tak धीमी. From here you can walk also. Tak धीमी, tay tay did tay ta, tay tay did tay ta, tay tay did tay, did did tay, tam did did tay, tay cắt tay hi, tay cắt tay hi tay, tay cắt tay hi ta, tay tay ta, did tay tay ta, tay did tay, did tay, did tay. From here, ta tay tay ta, did tay tay ta, ta tay tay ta, did tay tay, tay tay ta, tay tay did tay, tay tay did tay, tay tay did tay ta. We are going to do the whole thing again with the music. I hope you enjoyed this particular tutorial in this beautiful view. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.